Hi and welcome to another episode of Cafe Chronicles. I'm Steve.
I'm Dan.
And today we're going to be taking a look at the front forks of the KZ750 budget cafe racer build. We haven't done anything with these yet, and these are a little bit of black magic to me because they're the first shocks that I've seen where you put air in them. You know, as well as fork oil.
It's like a basketball. When it gets a little bit lackluster, you just kind of get the hand pump out and pump it back up to life.
Yeah, and I'm from Ireland, so I don't even know what basketballs are. So God only knows what this is going to turn out like. If Dan ever hits a bump on this thing, it's just going to launch him, you know. He's going to be doing backflips every time he hits a bump, you know. I think I had one of those Evel Knievel bikes when I was a kid, you know, that you wind up and used to do the flip, you know.
Yeah, that'll be the Cowie.
So we're going to take it apart, take the forks apart. Dan got new seals and dust cap, so we'll rebuild the forks, we'll clean them up, take them apart, clean the outsides as well, and then we'll put them back together, change the seals, and get them ready to go back on the bike. So let's get stuck in. These are looking really nice. They've turned out great. Got new seals. We got to put new fork oil in there, but we can do that later. All right, so we're good. You'll notice, you know, we've shot a few different things. I think we were telling you over the last few videos, we've been doing a lot of different jobs at the same time. What was the little thing that comes up?
Half talk?
Half talk. Half talk.
Half talk, half tanked, half shot.
So we've been we've been doing a lot of half talk because we've had a lot of half jobs that we've done. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. We finished today. We actually did a lot of different things, but one of the things that we did was painting other parts of the bike. So hopefully you guys will enjoy that too. The main part is that we're delighted that we got to finish the forks, rebuild them. We've got our new seals in there. We've got our new clips in there. They're looking really smart. They're looking great. I'm really happy with how they're actually how they've come out, considering we put so little time into them. We did a little bit of prep on sanding them, did a little bit of prep on roughing them up and cleaning them. We rebuilt them, which, you know, once you have the parts, it's not a big deal to rebuild them, but you know, it doesn't take too long. But painting them and making sure that they're masked and prepped and everything, that does take a little bit of time. So all in all though, they turned out like pretty awesome.
I'm happy.
Yeah, they're gonna look really good in the bike. So you'll notice that we're doing lots of different things. You know, we've got the tank on the go, we're painting different parts in the bike, hence us covered in paint. You know, we're also painting the gas tank, preparing that, rebuilding the forks obviously today. You know, so lots of different jobs going, and that's the whole half talk that we're looking at. But you know, things are starting to come together. We're really excited to actually start maybe thinking about being able to start putting this thing back together. So
I'm always excited to start thinking.
Yeah, one day we'll start thinking. You guys be careful. It's going one day. So far we're completely unencumbered by the thought process, but one day. So thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. For any new viewers, we've got in the description, we've got a list to a little bit of a docs, Google Docs that Dan's put together. It's all the stuff that we've gotten for the bike. So you can check it out there. If there's something you think we should add, that we should change, or you think you'd like more details on or whatever, don't forget to let us know in the comments. Also, for any of those kind of parts, because they're new to us, some I've used on the last build, on the CB750 builds, season 1, don't forget to check that out. You know, some of them we haven't used before, but we're going to be your guinea pigs. So we'll make sure that we'll let you know. Dan will do a little bit of a kind of a 1,000 kilometer review on all the parts too, and let you know what he thinks of it.
Boy, will I ever.
We can't stop him. So thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and you guys stay safe.